So let's get started with the first one. In our school, the serves lunch every day. As you can see in here, we have some clues for you. So what is the word that starts with C? Think about the place where we can eat at school. What do we call that? Excellent. It is the canteen. So C-A-N-T-E-E-N. All right. Moving on to number 2, question 2. Providing a variety of dishes that are both and healthy. So what word describes food that tastes great but is also healthy? That's also good for you. The word is tasty. Next, let's look at the third blank. The food includes yummy salad and delicious main courses that students love. Its main is to help everyone eat well by offering meals full of good. All right, so the third question, what do we call the main reason something exists? It starts with P. The answer is purpose. Now, for the fourth blank, okay, by offering meals full of good, starting with N, okay, so what is the word for substances in food that are good for our bodies? You see in here, protein, fiber, carbohydrate, so the word would be nutrients. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T. Don't forget to add the S. All right. Every day I have lunch with my friend Laura and Mark. I appreciate that my friend Laura is very... Okay, question 5. Think about one word for someone who is very kind and who offers help to others. Starts with G, so the answer would be generous. Amazing. Let's move on to question 6. Her friendly and approachable makes her really easy to talk to, and she very easily builds. Okay, so number 6, what is the word that describes someone's character in a positive way? That suggests she is friendly and approachable. So these are her personality. All right, so number 7. What do we call the bond between friends? As we've seen here among our classmates. So builds friendship. All right, even though he is quiet, okay, and here you can see he is a good listener too. Okay, so number 8, what is the word for someone who likes to talk a lot? Yeah, talkative. Okay, overall, the happy feeling in the canteen show how cheerful everyone is when they come together to... Okay, so when people come together, what do? We're looking for a verb in here. To share a meal. Excellent. Great job, everyone. Now you filled in all the blanks for my canteen experience. You did amazing. Remember, these are all important words that describe our experiences in canteen. Just notice that you have to keep practicing, and I can't wait to see how you perform in your exam. For here, you can see all the answers, all right? So you can check all the answers here. You can also feel free to stop anytime or redo the exercise as many times as you want, all right? So let's move on to section number 2. We have another exercise for you guys. All right, so exciting cooking competitions at our school. Let's take a look at our first blank in here. So in this exercise, section 2, you are not going to have any clues or anything bold. It's just a very simple exam question that is very similar to your paper one, I think. So be familiarized with this kind of format. Yeah. So number one, at our school, we often have an what is the event that brings everyone together? And bear in mind, it starts with N, so it has to be something with A, E, I, O, U. Okay, it has to be with a vowel. All right, so we have an assembly in the school hall, okay, every Friday morning. This is a special time when all the teachers bring together the students to, what is the word? That means to let everyone know about something. Okay, so think about here, fun and exciting events for the week. So has to be a verb, right? Okay, introduce fun and exciting events from the week, like a cooking competition where everyone shows their skills. Number three, the canteen has great for making our meals. It has all the tools, think about here, tools and equipment we need to cook. So great facilities, F-A-C-I-L-I-T. Does it end with Y? No, it doesn't. Look in here. Tools, equipment, all right? So facilities, I-E-S. All right? In the cooking, students can work together in groups to make delicious dishes, da 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 da. All right, so in the cooking competition. Okay, to showcase their cooking talents, many students love to create meals. Okay, what kind of meals? Like pasta. Okay, pasta with sauce that tastes like butter, or fried rice with perfectly cooked salted vegetables. So you see in here, salted. Is it sweet dishes or savory dishes? Yes, I just said it out loud. So it's savory meals, okay? SAVOURY, savory meals. All right, number 6. So what kind of sauce tastes like butter? What kind of sauce tastes like butter? Yeah, it's creamy sauce. All right, creamy. All right, coming to the last bit of it. However, while we enjoy cooking together, we have noticed that some students can be when they leave a big mess in the kitchen afterward. So they are inconsiderate. Nice. Okay, some students can be inconsiderate when they leave a big mess in the kitchen afterward. It's important to help and clean up so that everyone can enjoy a tidy space. All right, so clean up, and it has to be a verb. So to organize, okay? Help organize and clean up so that everyone can enjoy a tidy space. After all, we all want our school to look and welcoming. Adjective, so we're also using an adjective in here. What is the word that you can think of? What is the word that describes something that looks really nice? Beautiful. All right, for everyone who comes through the door. Amazing, everyone. So you have all filled in all the blanks for the exciting cooking competition at our school, and you all did wonderfully. Remember, you can pause this video anytime, or you can redo it over and over again. Keep practicing, and good luck to your exam. See you.